What's big and round? Uranus. And you know what they say, if you like it, put a ring on it. Today we're going to be discussing this blue planet and its rings. Now, I know it may look small from Earth, but trust me, it's huge.
That's what she said. Michael.
Uranus has 13 rings. From inner to outer, they are Zeta, 6, 5, 4, Alpha, Beta, Eta, Gamma. Kind of reminds me of my ex's sorority Delta Gamma. Stacy, if you're listening, please unblock my number. Let's talk this out, okay? After that is Delta Lambada. Epsilon, Nu, and Mu. Uranus and its rings were discovered by William Herschel in 1871, but no one believed that geezer. Later, in 1977, it was actually discovered by three men, James Elliott, Edward Dunham, and Douglas Mink. So, 1781 minus 19. Okay, it was a long-ass time before anybody actually believed that old Dumbledore-looking ass. Uranus's rings are relatively dark. They are boulder-like large chunks of dust. The planet's rings are very young, no more than 600 million years old. That's about the time Morgan Freeman started his voiceover career. Apparently he's too famous to help 7 college students make a 5-minute video about the rings of Uranus. His loss. Uranus's rings were most likely formed when one or more of Uranus's moons were destroyed on impact. Moons, Uranus. I'm sure there's a joke in there somewhere. No, the planet Uranus, not a butt. Interesting fact about Uranus's moons. They are tight and prone to collision. However, they partake in a process called shepherding, where a bunch of science happens and they repel each other. Uranus's rings start at about a distance of 38,000 kilometers from the center of the planet and extend to about 98,000 kilometers. So that's about 37,282 miles from start to finish. Not even Usain Bolt on meth could get that far. In conclusion, next time you hear the term Uranus rings, no, it's not an STD. It's 13 beautiful rings surrounding our 7th planet from the sun. But if you do find rings on Uranus, you might want to get that looked at.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.